Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2019 240 Solstice from Harris float boat. First thing I want to point out is this does have a 300 horsepower Mercury Verado on it. Right above the Verado is the ski tow bar. There's also a swim not a step to the side. It's a good entrance and exit point, and also the extra wide stainless steel ladder with 4 runs on it. Coming up into the boat, what I want to point out to you guys is, first off, this is a single rear lounger. So if you push this little button over here, this will fold forward and gives you plenty of room to lounge back here. Or if you want, you can have it facing forward and be inside the boat party, if you want to call it that. Going from there, I would like to point out the helm to you guys. This is a reclining seat, has the flip-up armrests in it. And it does have a glove box right here, your Simrad Go 5, that's your all-in-one fish finder, depth finder navigation, your gauges, and also your JL audio head unit. This boat does have an upgraded stereo system. One of the key features of that is the tower speakers. So you can, with this tower, you can tow wakeboarders, skiers, tubers, whatever you'd like. And then you have the secondary tow point in the back that I already pointed out to you guys. Now moving up front, I'll show you all this room up here with the loungers. Plenty of room to lay out, or you can fit good 4 or 5 people on each side of this and just have a ball. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. Come by and see us soon.